How can your weakness be your strength? I need to video where you're saying this thing. Say it again. Say it again.
What if I prove this to you?
Oh yeah, prove it to me, because literally they always say no answer is wrong. So please justify. Tell us how.
You can't just justify and you are videoing me.
Mr. Marketer, justify, please.
You don't know who you are talking to.
Who you be, oh?
Because in this UK, you don't know who is who. Who are you, please? Look who is feeding your gal today. Latest worker in town. Hey. Thursday, and I am so happy that the week is almost ending. Anyway, if you not tell me, I love how my face is just popping. Plenty has been your girl. Good. So yeah, assessment is really your girl. I didn't think that it would be this hard, honestly. I didn't think so, because I felt like I've been in the creative industry for a while now. So I mean, advertising and marketing should not be that hard. Shocker. 4 days in a week, lecture plus assessment, like 4 assessments, 3 individual and 1 group. Anyways, I've just said that this week I am cutting off too much stress. I'm going to enjoy my life and have fun. And thank God my friends have agreed to it. So yeah, we are going to have a party tomorrow. So yeah, guys, I guess I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, bye. Tell us what you have on your plate.
This is some boiled potatoes with some bread, carrots, fries, and steak.
How does it taste?
2 over 10.
2? I need to see your face when you're saying this 2 over 10. What do you have in your plate?
You want analysis?
Yes, real analysis.
Everything is supposed to be called salad.
Yeah.
Inside there's sweet corn.
Eh?
There are 2 boiled eggs.
Eh?
There's salad, there's cucumber, there's macaroni.
Cheap.
There's normal coleslaw, tango blackberry.
You disgrace me. This is not flannel wraps.
Yeah?
No, not flannel.
What do you call it?
Falafel. I mean falafel.
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 Fele.
Falafel wrap, yeah?
Yeah?
Chips with ketchup.
Yeah.
And then some salad.
I think it's like a safe food.
So what are you eating?
Okay, this is a raspberry and apple pudding. I don't know what this thing is they've added on it. It feels like custard.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's called.
Guys, we are off. There's fire on the mountain.
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.
I'm ready.
Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
No, I want to be
Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
Why?
How they check the water where?
I'm not going to spill. No, Tony, come.
No, Tony, don't touch him. Me no concern on you. After me like this, you go to spill. Maybe the last non-spiller.
What game is it?
First time seeing a police scene. I think something has happened. Probably accident. Oh yeah, an accident, bro. Oh goodness. I hope everyone is safe though. See where I'm going to right there, but I have to turn and pass all this barricade. It's the way you said you want villagers and you are taking over the kitchen. It's like the Calabar people, they use cookie do now. Can you shift? Like I said, you should go and sleep.
Now you go cook for me. Now you go cook this one. I just want to make it fast.
No. You just insult me on camera now. So as I did now, I don't know anything I did with my life.
You want doing everything now.
Then go. If they speak English, I say make you go. Carry laptop, open, watch Netflix. Okay. Go chill.
Make I just call this one, make I go.
For your life, you don't know waiting to this speech where they speak. Yes. You don't know how to enjoy the soft life. The soft life.
Want to eat like concoction rice I went to Harvard.
Oh boy. Scent leaf that you walk into the market and you say please Inegi, can you give me 100 naira or please dash me, I just want to do small pepper soup. Just imagine fresh the thing that is 3 pounds, almost 4 pounds. Almost 4 pounds. So just imagine, and half of it is gone. Like you cannot even use this. It's just the only thing that I took out of this.
That's why people don't like that African.
Honestly, if you want to eat English food, it's cheap.
Yeah, definitely.
But note that
because it's from
African foods are not cheap at all. So if you go to anybody else and they serve you African food, please appreciate that person, because bro, what the heck. And there you have it, the native rice that went to Harvard. Anyways, this is just grilled turkey with basmati rice cooked with native spices. Yeah,
it's like this is the best meal I had since I came here. Oh my god, oh drum bate.